I recently traveled to Thailand, a beautiful country in Southeast Asia. It is known for warm weather, kind people, and amazing food. I was excited to explore the culture and nature here. Thailand sits between Cambodia, Laos, and Myanmar. It has a long coast along the Gulf of Thailand. This gives the country both beaches and mountains. When I arrived in Bangkok, the capital, I saw busy streets and shining temples. Tuk-tuks zoomed past me, and food smells filled the air. Everything felt colorful and alive. People in Thailand speak Thai, but many signs had English too. Most people were friendly and smiled at me. Even if we didn't understand each other, we still connected. The money used in Thailand is the baht. Things were more affordable than in my home country. I bought fruit, snacks, and souvenirs without spending much. My first meal was pad thai from a street cart. It was sweet, sour, and spicy all at once. I sat near the street and watched people walk by as I ate. One of my first stops was the Grand Palace. It had golden roofs that sparkled under the sun. I had to wear long pants and take off my shoes to go inside. At waterfall, I saw a giant golden Buddha lying down. It was longer than a bus and looked peaceful. People walked quietly, showing respect with joined hands. Next, I visited a floating market just outside the city. Vendors sold fruits and cooked food from boats. I tried mango sticky rice and loved its sweet taste. Later, I flew to Chiang Mai in the north. There, I visited an elephant sanctuary in the jungle. I fed bananas to elephants and watched them play in the mud. The elephants were gentle and smart. Each had its own story and past. I felt honored to be close to such strong animals. In Chiang Mai, I also joined a local cooking class. We picked herbs from the garden and made green curry. It was spicy but full of flavor. The teacher spoke slowly and showed each step. I cooked beside travelers from many countries. We laughed, shared stories, and ate together. After that, I headed south to visit the islands. Krabi and Phuket were warm, sunny, and peaceful. The water was blue, and the beaches were clean. Every evening, I watched the sun go down by the sea. The sky turned orange and pink. It made me feel calm and thankful. One day, I joined a boat tour around small islands. Limestone cliffs rose from the water like towers. Some had caves, others looked like animals. The boat stopped for swimming and snorkeling. I saw fish in bright colors below the surface. The ocean was warm and clear. I also visited a local village on one of the islands. Children played outside, and people sold crafts. Life felt slower and more peaceful there. During my stay, I joined the Loy Krathong Festival. People released lanterns into the sky and flowers on the water. It was a night full of light, hope, and wishes. I lit a lantern with a local family. We made a wish and watched it float away. The sky was filled with soft lights. Thai people celebrate many holidays with joy. Music, dancing, and food are everywhere. Even strangers become friends during festivals. In temples, I saw monks in orange robes. They walked slowly and smiled softly. Some gave blessings to visitors. I learned to show respect by taking off my shoes. Also, I kept my head lower than the Buddha statues. These small actions meant a lot. At a market, I tasted food I had never seen: fried insects, tropical fruits, and sweet coconut drinks. Some were strange, but most were delicious. Thai food is colorful, spicy, and full of herbs. Even simple rice dishes felt special. I often asked for less spice, but it was still hot. While walking in towns, I saw dogs and cats resting in the sun. People didn't rush. They seemed relaxed. It reminded me to slow down too. Everywhere I went, I heard laughter and soft music. Shops played gentle Thai songs in the background. It made the streets feel warm and welcoming. The people I met were kind and curious. They asked about my home and shared stories about theirs. Some even taught me Thai words with big smiles. I learned to say Sawasdee for hello and goodbye. Saying it with a small bow showed respect. Locals appreciated it when I tried. At night, the cities looked different. Lights reflected on rivers and streets were full of life. I explored night markets with music and food. I bought handmade crafts and small souvenirs. Many stalls sold things made from wood or silk. Each piece felt special and told a story. Thailand as nature amazed me the most. Mountains in the north, beaches in the south, forests in between. It as a land full of natural beauty. One morning, I watched monks walk for food offerings. People gave rice, flowers, and small gifts. The moment felt peaceful and full of meaning. In the countryside, I saw rice fields glowing green. Farmers worked with care, even under the hot sun. Nature and people worked together in harmony. In the end, what touched me most was the Thai spirit. Smiles, respect, and kindness were everywhere. It stayed in my heart even after I left. Thailand taught me to appreciate simple things, a smile, a meal, a quiet moment under a tree. These are memories I'll keep forever. I didn't just see places, I felt something special. Travel became more than a trip, it changed how I see the world. I made friends from different countries. We shared food, stories, and laughter. Thailand brought us together. When I think of Thailand now, I feel warm inside. The sounds, smells, and faces come back to me. It feels like a second home. One day, I hope to return. There is still so much to see and feel. Until then, I carry the memories with me. Thailand is not just a place to visit, it is a place to feel alive and welcome, and that is why I will never forget it.